Normally, to change a spherical filter on any of the Cummins diesels is very simple, and you simply remove 8 of the 8mm nuts. However, to access this one, you can see that the top compressor must be removed first. You're going to have to remove these 2 bolts from the lower one just to replace or remove the steel plate and the steel bracket, which are retaining this. When this is in the normal position here, you simply will not be able to remove the plastic cover until you get this air conditioning compressor out of the way.